Hi, I'm Tasha Clifton and I'm a manager in the Grants Administration Division at TEA. And if you're trying to determine the role you or your staff need in eGrants to submit your grant application documents, you've come to the right place. This quick tutorial will help you do just that. There is a handy reference document available on the Grants Administration webpage under Resources. It's titled eGrants Roles and Privileges. This document will help you determine the correct role, and we're going to walk through that today. So here's a look at the document. Across the top of the chart, you will notice various document types or sections you can access in eGrants, like contacts, compliance reports, grants, or special collections. Down the left-hand side of the document, you will also notice various eGrants roles that are available, including grantee official, grantee manager, grantee staff, writer, or grantee viewer. In our example today, we are going to choose grants. If you or your staff need the capability to view, create, edit, save, and submit original versions of grant applications that haven't been submitted to TEA, the appropriate role is grantee official. Grantee official is the only role that has the capability to submit original versions of grant applications to TEA. Grantee official has the highest privileges in the eGrants system. If you or your staff need the capability to view, create, edit, and save grant applications, but someone else will review them and submit them on your behalf, the appropriate role is grantee manager. Grantee manager is not able to submit original versions of grant applications that haven't been submitted to TEA. However, they can submit negotiated applications, meaning a grantee official has already submitted the grant to TEA and your TEA negotiator has returned the application to your organization for corrections. Grantee official and grantee manager are the roles that are most often confused, so be sure to choose the correct role. You will use this same methodology to determine the correct role for other sections that you need to access in eGrants. Remember, first choose the document type or section you need to access in eGrants. Then, underneath the column that reflects that document type or section, choose the action that you need to complete in eGrants. Finally, look to the left of that action, and this will identify the appropriate role. I hope you found this brief tutorial helpful. However, if you still need assistance selecting the appropriate role, you can always reach out to your grant negotiator. Grants Administration contacts are linked in the sidebar of the Grants Administration website. Be sure to check the website for updates to the contacts page. Thank you and have a great day.